The first app will be the Library Services app. You can see here on your screen the brief introduction regarding the app. The system requirements will be Android 5.0 and above, and you are required to have 1 GB RAM memory for your device and a flash space about 50 megabytes. And these are the features on the left side. You're able to see the features available in the 2.0 version. This is the 2.0 version of the app itself. Should you wish to install the apps, you are able to do so by getting it on Google Play or scan the QR code. All right. So right now, if you have your mobile devices, why don't you take it out and try to follow my instructions here? Okay. Now, currently, we only have the app in Android device. For iOS, it will be made available in 2021. We are still developing the app. Now, to find the app, as I mentioned to you just now, you have to access Google Play and find the app. You can type IMU Library apps. It will be made available, such as this. To begin installing, you just click install. Then they will be installed in your device, and take note of the size that they require you to have in your device. Okay. Once you have installed the app, you will be able to open it by clicking the open button. Then you will be prompted to the library app. Take note, in order for you to utilize the app, you are required to register your individual account first. To do this, you click register here. Should you have registered your individual account previously and you've forgotten your password, you can email us at library notification. This is the email address. We will reset your password for you. Okay, once you click register here, you'll be accessing this page. Okay, this will be the mandatory details that you should fill. Example here, you should fill your staff ID or student ID, your email address, which you should use your IMU email address, your username, and also your password. Okay, once done, click register. Once you have registered your account, you will be able to access the app such as this on screen now. Now, you can see here, this is the main page of the app. This can be accessed when you click news. Now, the news here were extracted from the library blog. So if we have new updates, new resources, new collections that we have added into the library, it will be made available to the blog and extracted through here. You'll be able to see them here. All right, now to access the library services, all you need to do is click the services button here in the middle of the app. You'll be able to access 3 things. Number 1 is iLog. The iLog is actually our library online catalog known as KOHA. So over here, you're able to find what books that we have, the printed collection, and also links to ebooks recommended by faculty members. Now, other than that, you also be able to request articles. There are 2 types of requests that you can be made. The first one is by snapping a photo, okay? And the second one is by typing the article that you need. So once you send the request, it will be made available and sent to us. We will try to get the article and forward it to you. Should you have any inquiries in the future related to library services, collections, and others, you can contact us by clicking Contact Us button here. Now, if you click e-resources here, you'll be able to access the digital collections that we have. The first one is actually the e-resources EDS. This is actually stands for EBSCO Discovery Service, a search engine that enables you to find everything we have in the library. Okay, a very useful search engine. You can have a go at it later. Other than that, the app also links you to other apps that is being subscribed by the library, because we subscribe to the platform and the platform accompanied with apps. So that's why we link it to the apps here. So you are able to see currently we have Key, Up to Date, BMJ, and later TMI also will be made available here. TMI Mat 1. Okay. All right. I will pass the presentation to Mr. Nohalim. So he will do a live demonstration on how to utilize the app effectively. Okay.
Thanks, Razwan. Can you hear me?
Can, no problem.
And can you see the screen now?
Can.
Okay. I will show you. Okay, this is my my phone home screen right now. I will show you on how to get access to the IMU library apps. First, I'm using Android phone. So for those who are using iPhone, you can just click to your App Store. So you click Play Store here. Sorry. You type in IMU Library Apps. Okay. Select IMU Library App. The top result hits. Click it or select it. Okay. For those who haven't installed this IMU Library app, you can just proceed. Select install, and for those who have installed, you select open. Okay, I will key in my username and password. Okay, for this page, you just select I agree. Okay, you will see your ID here and select I agree. So this will be the main page of the apps, IMU Library apps. And this is the first page, the news section here. It will go here, and you will get access to news, services, and e-resources. So the main template is news, and if you want to click it to services, just from the bottom there, you click services. So it will bring you to these three segments. One is iLog, material request, and contact us. So for instance, if I click material request, click it, and just allow it from your phone devices. Okay. It will display three subsequent of these services available, as you can see in this page. So let's say that, okay, you have camera request for an article, and recommend a purchase. So for example, I go for request for an article, I click it or I select it. Sorry. Just fill in all the details, and if you have attachment that you would like the library staff to view it, you can just add on and click submit. Okay, this is one of the example available in the library apps. So go back. Okay, next we can move on by selecting e-resources. Click e-resources. Okay, as mentioned by Razman earlier, just now you can see the search article of e-resources, clinical key, up-to-date, BMJ, and Dynamite Plus. It means that if you click one of these, it will go to your Play Store or App Store, and it will provide you with these sections of installing the apps. For instance, if you click clinical app, clinical key, it will bring you to Google Play Store here or App Store. Okay. I think I have done for this briefing about IMU Library apps.